We're going to show you how to make your very own picnic table for all your backyard entertaining needs. Using 2 pieces of 90 by 45 timber, cut 4 pieces at 975mm long to short. Each piece should have matching 45-degree cuts on each end. Now we're going to cut the leg and tabletop supports. The bottom support for the bench seats to attach to will measure 1,530mm. And tabletop support should measure 750mm. Make a 45-degree cut on the bottom third of each end of these timbers so it is hidden once constructed. You will need 2 of each. Next, we need to attach the table and bench top supports to the picnic table legs. Create a V formation with the legs and ensure the 45-degree cuts on the top are square. The tabletop support should sit flush where the 2 points meet. Find the centre point by measuring either side. To attach the leg supports, mark a point 560mm up from the long point at the base along the leg. Centre the seat support between the legs at these points. Once you've found the correct placements, pre-drill with a countersink bit and then screw into place. For the tabletop and seat planks, cut the required number of planks to a length of 1,800mm. 5 on the top, 2 lengths for each bench seat. We've used 140 by 45 for the planks on the tabletop and bench seats. Next, we're going to make a cross rail and cut braces for added support for the table legs. You'll need to cut a cross rail out of your 90 by 45 timber at 1,180mm, slightly shorter than the length of your tabletop. Additionally, you will need to cut 2 small braces at 275mm short point to short point with opposing angles. To attach the leg frames and the cross rails, you'll need to begin by securing one end of the cross rail to the seat support on one of your leg structures. Stand the structure up and secure the other end of the cross rail to the other leg structure. Make sure to check for symmetry before securing the braces to the cross rail and leg. Once secured, lay out your tabletop planks, leaving roughly 10mm gaps between each plank. Start with the outer timber planks, then space out planks by eye. Make sure the ends are flush. Then mark the locations for your screws, pre-drill using a countersink bit, and secure the planks into place. Next, measure your umbrella pole. The hole should be approximately 10mm larger than the diameter of your umbrella pole. Using a hole saw, drill a hole in the tabletop and cross rail of your table. Once you've drilled your umbrella hole, attach your seat planks as you did with the tabletop. For extra table strength, we're installing bolts to the legs. To attach your bolts, we are pre-drilling holes the same diameter of the bolt to to the bottom crossrail and leg. Don't attach the bolts to the table until after you paint or stain, for a clean look. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. Give your table a quick sand to make sure your surface area is smooth, and then add paint or stain to achieve your desired look. We're using a timber stain. Once dry, remember to attach your bolts. And there you have it, your very own picnic table for entertaining guests in your backyard.